talk about Dr. Reddy's, which posted weak set of numbers in the first quarter with all key metrics underperforming estimates. Revenue rose 11% to 8,545 crore compared to 7,673 crore in the same period last year, while profit after tax rose 2% to 1,418 crore. My colleague Srishti Sharma is joining on phone line with more number crunching.
Well, it's a miss coming in from Dr. Reddy's in Q1 FY26 on all the parameters actually, though on a revenue front, that's absolutely a flat growth on a sequential basis. EBITDA number has seen a jump of just 5% on a sequential basis, and it's a 9% miss versus our estimate as well. And look at the move in the margins, because margins have now shrunk to 25.1% versus the expectation of 26.8%, and some bit of a miss on the profit figure as well. 1,418 crores is what the company has clocked in versus the estimate of 1,562 odd crores. Now, looking in the internals, what we see is that sequentially North America sales have actually declined 4%, while India sales, they have seen a jump of 13% on a sequential basis, and it was the nicotine replacement therapy that has helped the revenues of the company, and especially their European business. Now, in terms of the decline, the company is noting the fact that the North America decline was primarily due to the increased price erosion in certain key products like G Revlimid, the fact that we have been highlighting the fact as well. Other than that, India growth was driven by introduction of new products, but the gross margin decline, that was primarily due to the higher price erosion in generic segment and reduced operating leverage, partially offset by favorable product mix. So all in all, not a great set coming in from Dr. Reddy's.